Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lavette Jallo. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for supporting me. In this video, as the title suggests, as with most of my titles, self-explanatory, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite head attires which are inspired from West Africa, also created in West Africa. And for me, it's easy because it's not all the time that I want to do a full head wrap, even though I do cover my hair most of my days. When I go to Gambian parties or Nigerian parties, I like to wear these because they can match any single outfit and also they just look really stylish. I'm just going to raise up one of my favorite ones. Here you go. So this is a yellow one and it's got like a sort of a flower up here that you can either lay down or push up to be more couture, a little bit more vogue. So to make this video interesting for you guys, I'm going to show you each hat and then I'm going to put it on and show you what it looks like from different angles. And whilst I'm doing it, I'm also going to be playing some Gambian music by the one and only Tata Dinding Jabate. You guys seem to love his music. He's on Spotify as well. So let's get going.
Salam aleka tatamme kumala jambama inulara abota dawda fadito abota mbaida feto abota mariama jufuto abota silsa mureto jamba fadi bejara fakemo fadi dimma keba fadi le dimma naba sedi dimma awakuli dimma ba maida fe dimma bori jara dimma len dambo dabela abijata pikiri malen jamba tatambe kumalama jamba yakenye wala ni aja fati wuluta anin binta cha wuluta anin sire fati wuluta ni fadu chamanti wuluta anin biku fati wuluta atala ni lamini fati wuluta anin ba budindin wuluda anim punja so wuluda jamba wo dabela tunku jana sana terima jamba fati dabela ami ture terima mundau aracham teri umi kujabi terima binta juf terima fatu sise koliteri swabo janteri de mariama jebani teri siremane terima namina terima den jamba 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 namina Sinima jamba fati tatana sinima sinima tatana sinima jamba fati tatana sinima